welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. Today's video is going to be me doing a simple pre-poo for my natural mini braid. So if you're interested in this video, then just keep watching. Hey guys, so obviously I'm not at home because I don't have my normal background, and I know that I have grease on my shirt right here. Please don't mind that grease stain. Please don't mind it, okay? We're gonna get into this pre-poo. I have not washed my hair in about 2 weeks, you guys. I am actually in Atlanta right now. So if you guys hear noise in the background, or if my background is just not as quiet as it normally is, I am out of town and I'm still trying to give y'all content. So please give me a thumbs up and leave comments down below for the hustle, for the consistency that I am giving you guys here, okay? So if you're loving the consistency, please drop a comment down in the comment section. So today's really easy, simple pre-poo is going to be the Cantu Argan Oil, leave-in conditioner, repair cream, and then this is only about $5 at Walmart. And then I also got the Hollywood Beauty Tea Tree. This is also, let's do the YouTube hand. This is also at Walmart as well, which my camera is not focusing, okay? So there we go. This is also at Walmart, and then I also have the Cantu Argan Oil, and then I just have a simple bowl and a plastic spoon. And I think I'm gonna take, oh yeah, and a rubber band and a plastic bag, a Walmart plastic bag. So y'all, this is literally hair hustle on a budget, okay? You probably only spend $8 if you got these two products. So what I'm gonna do is put the cream into this bowl, and I'm probably gonna put, let's see how many spoonfuls, because this is just a quick pre-poo, but I might actually sleep with it in overnight. I am not sure, but I think I'm gonna just put 4 big spoons of conditioner, leave-in conditioner. So that much, because I have braids in my hair and I really don't want this product to run out of my hair. And then I'm gonna put, let's see how many squeezes of oil I'm gonna put in here. So I'm gonna put 3 spoons of oil in there. I would actually heat this little mixture up, but because I'm not at home and I don't want to be doing the mostest to the hostess right now, I'm just gonna actually stir this in. And I have Jelly Bean sitting right here with his headphones on, so I don't want him to feel like, oh, mommy's done, and then try to get up. So I'm gonna just stir this in and then put this plastic bag on. And this is why I say I think I might use this as a deep conditioning treatment. But once again, because this is a leave-in conditioner, I know I'm not gonna get moisture overload, and I haven't washed my hair since I rebraided it, and I do have flakes. I'm not sure if you guys can really see the flakes that is going on here. So I might be walking around with a plastic bag on my head for the rest of the day, and then probably wash this out tomorrow and then do like a whole nother video for you guys. But this is how much I got. Like, it's pretty much probably a cup full. It looks about like a cup. And I need to wet my hair just a little bit. Okay, so I actually have a spray bottle too. So what I'm gonna do is just take my spray bottle and just kind of moisturize my hair just a little bit before I go in with the product. I'm giving you guys a talk through because I really don't feel like doing a voiceover. So I'm gonna just thoroughly rub this into my hair. I'm giving you guys old school YouTube vibes, like when you used to see people sitting on the floor, because I'm sitting on the floor. And I'm actually looking into my viewfinder, so if I'm not giving y'all that eye contact, That's why, because I'm looking into my viewfinder so I can make sure that I am getting every part of my hair. No, love bug. No, love bug. Hold on. Good job. He's trying to take his headphones off. I at least need to moisturize my hair because y'all, people from Atlanta, why didn't y'all tell me how dry it is here? I know I'm coming from Seattle, but I'm just saying, like, y'all could have pre-warned me, but at the same time, I didn't tell y'all that I was coming to Atlanta, so. Hold on. Stay. No? Woo. No, no. Keep your headphones on. Woo. So he's trying to get up. Good job. Oh. Yeah, Blimpy. Okay, so no. Stay right there. Mama, good job. I am really trying to work this water into my scalp. Like I said, I have not sprayed my hair with water since I rebraided it, and today is September 28th. Yes. No, don't touch that little bug. It's September 28th, and I actually have not rebraided my hair at all. I mean, rebraided. I haven't wet my hair at all, so I'm gonna just moisturize my scalp like that, and then I'm gonna get this mixture. You want it back on your head, but you gotta sit down. Yep, down. Down, so you can listen to Blimpy. You guys, I made him these cute headphones because babies don't have headphones like headphones where you can hear. So I made him, no, love bug. I made him these cute headphones so that he can listen to stuff with it when I'm trying to like do a video and his dad isn't able to watch him. Try to figure it out however I can. So I'm gonna take this much. Ooh, my scalp is like, girl, why haven't you did this sooner? Stop, son. So I'm gonna rub it all on my scalp because, like I said, this is a pre-poo and my scalp is dry, my hair is dry. Sit down. Stay sitting down. Stay right there. No, stay right there. My scalp is dry, my hair is dry, so I'm gonna just try to work that in my scalp. And I'm using the pads of my fingers. And you guys, I do have new growth, so I'm gonna be really careful with my new growth, but I really want my scalp to be hydrated. So giving myself just a nice little scalp massage here. And then I am going to work this leave-in. No, love bug, stop. Yeah, stay right there. No. I'm gonna work this leave-in to, no nanny, no nanny. Listen to Blimpy. I'm gonna rub this conditioner down the length of my hair. It's a leave-in conditioner, so if you guys keep hearing me say conditioner, it's a leave-in conditioner. And then if I keep saying conditioner and you skip through the video and you didn't see that I actually showed you can too, then I guess you'll be asked, stop, son, stop. Thank you. I guess you'll be asking me what I used in my hair. But it's a leave-in conditioner, you guys. I am so sorry if I say stuff, okay? But I show you guys what I'm doing on the screen. And I can already feel how much hydrated my hair is. Like, my hair was needing the love, honestly. I'm going to give you guys an update on what I'm going to be doing with my hair, but I'll give you an update of what I've been doing with my hair. So I give you probably like a 2-month update, because I put these in my hair July 24th and it's now the 28th of September. So July, August, September, yeah. So stop, son. So I'll come in here and give you guys a 2-month update on what I've been doing with my braids. So that 2-month update video will probably go up before this one. So what I'm doing now is just trying to make sure that I'm getting every part of my braids saturated. Like, I don't want to leave not one part of my head uncovered, especially my edges and the nape of my head, because those are the parts that, like, my hair rag has been slipping off lately and I don't even know what's going on, but those are parts of my hair that's been kind of more exposed, and I can tell like they are not happy. And then I'll show you guys how I do a hot oil treatment with my hair too. Like, all of my stuff is really simple, but I'll show you guys how I do a hot oil treatment. Like, maybe I'll teach somebody something new, a new trick, but And now I am kind of using my nails to try to scratch up some of that dandruff off my scalp. But I'm not doing it a lot. Like, if I knew that I was going in with an apple cider vinegar rinse after this, I will not be scratching my scalp with my nails. And I'm not doing it aggressively, because I know you're not supposed to scratch your scalp with your nails, but I'm doing it just enough to try to uplift.
Mama.
Stay right there.
Up.
No, up.
Down.
Sit down. Good job. Okay, so because I just lost that little bitty rubber band that I just had, I'm literally going to have to use my scrunchie, which I wasn't trying to do that, but I just literally lost that little rubber band that I had.
Yay.
And my son is kicking my tripod. I probably don't even need to put, no, son, at the mouth. Not the mouth.
Hey.
Okay, so once again, I am just going to, actually, I'm going to add a little bit oil to my fingers, because seriously, my scalp is dry. Not the mouth. My edges are dry, so I am really trying to give my edges some love. I'm going to put this plastic bag on my hair. And I am going to sleep with this on my head overnight. I'm going to rinse it out, and then hopefully I can show you guys the end result. But it'll just be an end result of my hair really moisturized, but I'll show you guys the end result, so I'll be back.